MSI motherboard B550. This is a 5700G 1TB NVMe. Good evening, Mr. Abhishek. My name is Manish. I am brother of Anish. You must have spoken with. Thank you so much for placing an order from Warangal, Telangana, and I especially want to thank all the clients who order from south of India, especially Hyderabad and Chennai and Kerala. I feel so privileged. I feel so honored whenever I get the orders for building a PC from that part of India. So quickly, I think I will run through the configuration that you've chosen before we test it for 10 hours and ship it to you by tomorrow evening or Wednesday morning, sir. So you've chosen a MSI Mag Forge 100M cabinet. This is it. We have labeled it so there's no confusion, right? This is a power supply. Deepcool PM750D, right? 80 plus volt. There's one or two components missing, I'll let you know, and probably we'll build it whenever we get it. This is the MSI motherboard B550 gaming edge with Wi-Fi. That's the APU that you've ordered. I hope you ordered a VAPU, yes. This is a 5700G. That's your 1TB NVMe SSD generation 4. And that's it. I think the RAM is missing. RAM is about to come. So whenever you get the order, please make an uninterrupted video. So that if something is damaged, God forbid, or broken, we'll take care of it. That's a promise. I would try to send it through Blue Dart. If not, then we have various options as well. Please don't worry about the transit. It's been insured. You already paid us for the insurance. Just use a good quality UPS and get your thing checked. That's all from my studio. Thank you so much for placing an order at Bitkart. Have a nice day, sir.